guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I am here today. I am going to share with you how to overcome the fear of speaking English. Okay, maximum people have a problem of speaking English. Okay, because when I start speaking English, so that times I get stuck because I am not talking about other person. I am talking only myself because I have already this problem because I want to get rid this problem because maximum times when I start, so that times I am confused because because that times when I start speaking English in front of people, so that times I get stuck because that times my mind goes blank. Okay, because already I have this problem because I am not telling to you, I am telling myself even, you know because I know because I have lots of fear of speaking English because when I start speaking English, so that times I think about people, I think about environment, I think about about laugh at me, everything I think about everything, everything. So I want to get remove this problem. Okay, because when I start speaking English, so that times I think because this times this times people are making laugh at me. Okay, because that times people are talking about me because 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 she is making the wrong sentence. She is speaking the wrong English. So maximum times I think about people, but don't focus about people. Try to speak English. Okay, because if you have hesitations, have hesitations when you start speaking English with other person, so please don't try to speak other person, try to speak yourself. Okay, because when you start speaking English, so you start speaking with yourself as a mini step, as a as a baby step, as a as a baby speaks. So you can try this. Okay, this way. Okay, so yeah, actually when you are comfortable, you can try to speak with the other person as a friend, as a family member. Okay, please don't focus on people because what are the people going to judge. Okay, because people has a work, because it is the job of people to say something. Because no matter how much perfect you are in your life, because no matter we explain other person. Okay, this is your problem, you can handle yourself. Okay, you are victim. Okay, you are suffering this problem, please don't focus other people's. And you are and maximum times when I start speaking English, so that times because I have a big excuse, because I don't have environment. Okay, I know you are because you are not surrounded English environment, I know very well, but you can create yourself. Okay, when you when you speak, so then you can speak in English. Then you walk, then you can speak English. When when you sit, you can speak in English. So you can create environment yourself. Okay, I think this is a very big excuse because I don't have any environment. Okay, don't focus don't focus environment. Okay, please, you can create environment because you have capacity to create the environment. Okay, so please don't excuse something like this. Okay, we think about people because people are going to judge. Okay, yeah, I know people are going to judge, but don't stress about don't stress, don't focus on people. Okay, please try to speak English because sometimes we think because people are making the laugh at us, people are going to mock at us. I know, please don't, because don't try something like this. Only your because your aim improving English. Okay, in the last, I want to say, because don't stress other things. Okay, because stress is not good for health. Okay, because try to speak English, because if you want to perfect in English without thinking, without without hesitation, you speak English. Okay, you should speak English. Okay, right now I am going to end the video, so please do subscribe, like and share my video. So thank you, bye bye.